Alright, folks, this is Tien the Second here with an interesting find. I have Xisumavoids lossless chicken cooker here, and I was getting frustrated with it. I didn't have enough chickens in it, and I cracked the glass on it to coax the baby chickens, the hatchlings, into the trap again, and cracked it open. Had some difficulty getting back to the seeds, but I noticed a unusual behavior, and we'll see how long. There we go. They just naturally want to go and be with their mama. So see if it does it again. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. There we go. And I guess that's one way to increase your output